What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's a Saturday morning. About to do one of my favorite things I love to do. Is about make some beats. We'll make some beats. Gotta get back to it. Been a minute, and I've been missing it. And I need to get back on my craft, do my thing, work on some new songs, all that stuff. Definitely, yo, welcome to the channel. Um, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Like the video. We're gonna get to some beats. It's snowing outside. I love making beats on days like today when it's snowy outside and it's just cuddle. Wifey's in there, she just chilling, working on a little stuff. Got a little music in the background with the windows open, watching the snow come down. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. But let's get to some beats, man. Uh, 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 yeah, I like that. But it might help. I'm gonna do that. It might help if I add on. I gotta do the overdub on the record, and I do like to do. For me personally, I like to do record quantization. I don't. I wish I was nice like that, but there's some joints I take it off. I'll be like, I want a live feel to it, but not on this joint. Not on this joint. I do that again. Okay. Uh, like that. I like that. Yeah. Uh, I like that. I like that a lot. Walk up in the gang and you hit them like what? Oh, I like that. All right, man. Find some samples. Yeah, this is Voice Comps. This is a sample lab sound pack. Yep. This is All right, we'll look for some samples, man. And I'm going to look into what his voices is from Sample Lab. Got this about a year ago. But different. I've used a lot of these already. That sounds like yeah, I'm feeling that. All right, let's go. Let's open up a MIDI track. Open up a MIDI track. Put that MIDI track and let's drop that bad boy right into there. Yep. It's on slice mode. We're gonna do manual. volume up a little bit on that bad boy. Second one right there. Like that. Alright. Let's see if we can get some of this thing to match up a little bit. Yeah, that's about it right there. Alright, let's see what that sounds like. I like that already. Yep. Let's do that. And when I do it like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and bump that to half and just play it once and then duplicate. That should be it. I'm cool with that. So yeah, 30-minute beat, and yeah, I mean I'm definitely gonna build more off of it, but this is definitely going in the right direction, right? Let's start with the mute. No, we're gonna go like that. Yeah. Off the long. I hear the bass on it. Bring that out a little bit. I had a little EQ on this bad boy, just a little bit. Just a little 8 EQ on this thing. Love it, yeah. Just a little more presence. All of that. Look here, I hear it. Bass, they say, no say, I say, oh say, last thing, bro. What that last thing, bro? What that last night? Passing up on that last night. I like it. And it's gonna be a little car. Yeah, keep it moving, baby. Yeah, keep it moving, baby.